Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to apply for Medicaid online. If this is your first time doing it, it might seem a little confusing at first, but don't worry, once you know where to go and what informations that you need, the process is actually pretty simple. So applying online can save you time and help you find out if you qualify for Medicaid coverage in your state. So to get started, open any web browser on your computer or phone. You can use Google Chrome, Safari, or any browser that you prefer. So in the search bar, type "Welcome to the health insurance marketplace" and press enter. So when the results appear, carefully choose the website that says "Welcome to the health insurance marketplace." So make sure that you select the official site and avoid any other links that looks similar. After the website opens, look for the option that says get coverage. So from there, choose the state where you live. The screens may look a little different depending on your state, but the overall process is very similar. So before you begin the application, make sure that you have the information that you need. You'll be asked for your full legal name, home address, the number of people in your household, your income, your job information, and your social security number or immigration documents if applicable. You may also need proof of income such as recent pay stubs or a tax return. So once you enter your details, the marketplace will check your information. If your income qualifies for Medicaid, your application is automatically sent to your state Medicaid office for any review. After that, you'll be shown the available healthcare coverage options for your situation. So some states may ask you to create an account before you continue. If that happens, select the option to register, create a username and password, and keep them somewhere safe so that you can sign in again whenever you need to check your application or update your information. That's all there is to it. Just follow each step on the screen, provide the required information, and complete your application. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.